In this video, you'll learn how to view your transaction history in Phantom Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to access and review your past transactions with ease. To begin, open the Phantom Wallet application on your device. Make sure you have it installed and updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Once the application launches, you will be taken to the home screen. On the home screen, you will see several options, including send, swap, receive, and buy. This is your main interface for managing your tokens and transactions. Look for the token you wish to check, such as a SOL, and click on it to proceed. After selecting the token, you will be directed to a detailed view of that specific token. This section provides insights into your holdings and recent activities. Scroll down until you find the activity or transaction history list, which displays all transactions related to the selected token. In the transaction history list, you will see a series of entries, each representing a past transaction. To view more details about a specific transaction, simply click on it. This action will bring up detailed information, including transaction dates, amounts, and any relevant notes. Keep in mind that if you have a large number of transactions, it may take a moment for the list to load. If you experience slow loading times, verify your internet connection to ensure a smooth experience. Additionally, reviewing your transaction history can help you track your spending and manage your assets effectively.